Today I show you how to replace uh, the plug of Christmas lights. So one day I bought Christmas lights and this one broken. So it broken, I need fix. Now as you can see, it was only tied down into this. Okay, first you have to remove that one, and then you will have the exposed cables. So once you have the exposed cables, you get the cable A. You have two cable only. Okay, you have two cable. And then you use a replacement part. You buy a new replacement part. This one I already pre-work on it. You can see I already put it out of this. Okay? It's just like $1. $1 you buy. And then what you do next is you put the cover, you put inside here. Okay, two of them, be sure to put them together. Okay, now when you put together, you get this, you get the two cable out, right? Because Christmas light broken. Okay, what you do now, when you remove, you twist this one here. You twist together right there, somewhere here. Be sure both them don't panic. Okay, don't panic. So how you do it? Could be you go here and then you twist. Yes, yes. There. Okay, we put here. That's how you do it. You twist first, so the hair won't break away. Now you put the hair here and then twist it. Okay, you twist the hair there. Oh shit. Yeah. Okay, we need some tools to make the hair inside. You can use your reliable pick, whatever you have, and then just like that. Okay, I think there's a better way to do this. So maybe we unplug this one first. The best way to do it is unplug this, but yeah, you cannot do that. So it's not a good idea to unplug it. It's not possible. So you just have like to do it like this. Yes. Yes. How you do it? You plug it there. And then you twist the electricity. Okay. Once you put it like that, as you see, you put the plug like that. Now, all you have to do is to squeeze it. Good. Good. Okay. Yeah, really far from each other, so that's fine. That's fine. Okay, as long as it's far from each other, no problem. Okay, next one, you go here and then you do the same thing. You just twist it together like so. Okay, Okay, you twist it good. You twist it good here. Then you try to squeeze now. Okay, the hair is outside. I don't know why, but it's outside. So, is that fine? I don't think that it's fine. So we have to refix. And should be like inside. So we inside it. Okay. Put it like that. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah. And then you just screw it. Okay. That looks good. You screw it that way. The other one, we unloose it. And then do it again. Holy shit. Yeah, right? So, we undo it. Yeah. We try to twist the cables. Yeah. Like so. Twist it as much as you can. So it won't just like dangle around. Try to twist it a bit. And then all you have to do is to hook it here. Maybe twice. Right? There you go. Like so. Do it like that. Put a cable here. Twist it now. Put the cable out. Holy shit. Okay. Yeah. So, that's how you do it. You put it like this. As you can see, perfectly made, right? This won't go there, this won't go there. So they are separated. Yeah. Then you just ensure these things. Double check. Just to avoid some explosions. Okay. Looks good. Good. Now, next thing is you cover it up to make it like fancy. Yeah. Now, put it like that. And put 2 screws. Okay. So, if you don't have a screw, you just buy a new one. Buy a new screw, something like that. And then twist it to the right. Usually this is what we call clockwise. Okay. Once you clockwise it, it will be locked. And then you go on the other side, put it like this, and then do it like so. So once done, we will then try to plug it. Okay, and see if it will work. There you go. We have the 2 cables there. You can see they are perfectly sitting inside. The cable, whatever happens here. Okay, let's try to plug it. There you go. We were able to plug it. And the Christmas tree lights. Awesome. Happy New Year to everybody.